I hope you like short, sweet, and to the point videos, because this video is gonna be Some of you out there would love to have the RGB lighting, but you're like, I would prefer to have good performance as well. I got good news. The Enermax LIQFusion does not disappoint. On the cooling levels, I actually had the Rygentek Orcus 240, which is such a similar unit in design. Temperatures were just neck and neck. I mean, margin of error neck and neck. It's just too close to give anyone a lead. And I was pretty impressed with that. Either way, both units perform really well for 240 millimeter in my opinion. So I'm saying Enermax, great job on the cooling performance. Wow. So you can have your RGB cake and eat it too. This is fantastic. Noise levels were just smidgen higher though, and I was actually a little surprised by that because I figured Enermax would probably try to keep it a little lower, but don't get me wrong guys, it wasn't bad. You look at the NZXT Kraken X62 and it's got slightly lower levels, but remember that we're running a performance profile instead of like actual 100% full fan speed. When you take the Kraken X62 to 100% full fan speed, the noise is just unbearable. I wouldn't even recommend using anything other than that curve. So as far as Enermax's LIQFusion is concerned, I don't think I have any trouble finding an acceptable noise level for your system as you're doing daily, day-to-day gaming, so on and so forth. Great job on the performance, really happy with it. I am going to give the Enermax LIQFusion 240 a must-have award. And the biggest reason why is it is an excellent price. Enermax gives you a crap ton of accessories and features and performance and quality for such a low price. Now at $120 almost, that is a little pricier compared to just say any old closed loop cooler out there. But when you look at other RGB ones, it starts getting a little closer. When you look at addressable RGB coolers, say from the likes of NZXT or Thermaltake, NZXT and Thermaltake are really proud of their RGB designs and the price shows. Enermax is cheaper by far, well worth it. And the amount of accessories and the features and lighting that it has, it's a slam dunk, guys. Must have cooler. I highly recommend, especially if you're wanting the rainbow effect, this is the cooler right here. I would highly recommend choosing Enermax LIQFusion 240 over pretty much any cooler on the market, especially if you're an RGB nut like me. So there you go, guys. That's it for performance. That's where we're keeping it at. If you want installation steps or an installation guide, I'll have a video about, say, right in that corner, and you can check that one out. If you want to see a closer look of all those RGB lighting effects and how that works, I'll have a video about in that corner, and you can check out how all that works. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you later.